Are you exploring options to start a preschool? Or maybe you're looking to upgrade the learning experience at your current one? Or looking to build highly enriching marketing and distribution business of BRILLA products for your area? Whatever your business need, be it books, setup, or partnerships, BRILLA's sample kit is your perfect first step. This powerful little package holds more than just pages. It opens the door to innovation, quality, and success in early childhood education. Here's what you get: 8 beautiful sample books, carefully selected from playgroup to UKG, a detailed catalog covering our entire educational product range, course and training prospectus to discover how we support teachers and schools, exclusive B2B membership to unlock 10% extra savings on all purchases, and yes, free delivery included straight to your doorstep. Wondering why a sample kit? Because to make an informed decision, you need to see and feel the difference. That's why we believe our conversation should begin only after you've had a chance to explore our materials in your hands. Once you receive your kit, you'll be invited for a one-on-one video consultation with our team. We'll walk you through the possibilities, understand your goals, and show you how BRILLA can power your preschool journey. So why wait? Take the first step. Order your BRILLA sample kit today. Explore the innovation. Experience the quality. Empower your vision.